Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align two tables horizontally in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align two tables horizontally. Firstly, insert two tables. Go to the insert menu, then click the table option and insert a table. Then resize the table. Then move the table left side. Then click the table top and go back the home menu. Copy the table and paste. Then click the table and move this table right side. Then press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple tables. Then go to the table design menu and click layout menu. Then click the option and we select the table, and we can see here show a ruler. Now we make sure this two table align horizontally very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.